bodice wrapped in lace, that certain smile upon your face is telling me what's to be when you leave. In a room just 5'8", I sit alone and I will wait to hear from you if you do decide to. Don't try to humor me with letters